just want to say, Trinidad and Tobago, I hate you. I hate what we have fucking become. I have been working hard, running my own business for over the last, for a little more than a year now. I've been working fucking hard, putting together an event for the past few days. I'm also on the committee for an event. I'm on several committees, as some of you all might know. Motherfuckers obviously have been marking me. I went to the bank. I went to a few places to sell some tickets for the party tonight. Pull up in front of my own business place here. Literally 1 minute. 1 minute after I walk inside the building, some motherfucker bust my glass, went into the glove box, and stole a large sum of money. That means that motherfucker was marking me. Had to be marking me. Let me get out of the rain. Had to be marking me for a little while. I don't know if he was marking me from when I came from the bank. I don't know if he was marking me from when I was selling tickets. But whoever it was knows that I had money on me. I hate this fucking country now. I hate it.